Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today I decided to make something for breakfast. So this is what's going to be jumping in my pot. A Southern Style Breakfast Casserole. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using: dried mustard, black pepper, salt, smoked paprika, diced scallions. In here, I have the seasonings already mixed that I just told you. Sour cream, minced fresh parsley, milk, shredded cheddar cheese, diced bell peppers. I'm using a crusty bread. I've diced it and cubed it up. You can get French bread, Italian bread, and it's better to have day-old bread. I have sausage, pork sausage, and my eggs. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. I have a saute pan here, and I'm going to turn it to medium-low. I'm going to add the sausage to the pan and let it saute up for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now, the next thing we do is I have the bowl with the eggs. Let's rinse this off. And we're going to whisk the eggs. We're going to add the milk. The seasonings. The sour cream. And we whisk this up together. We cover this up and we set this to the side and let the sausage cook. Okay, I think the sausage has cooked up enough. And now let's add the diced bell peppers. Let the diced bell peppers jump into the pan along with the scallions. Now let's saute this up together for about 2 to 3 minutes. Yes, I think everything has cooked up enough so we can turn it off and let it cool. I've just added the parsley to the egg mixture, and we're going to mix this up together. I have a baking dish here that I've buttered, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to line the bottom of the baking dish with the bread that I cubed up. Now it's time for the shredded cheddar to jump into the egg mixture. And we mix this up. And we're going to add the topping of the sausage on top of this. Get everything out of the pan. Now I'm pouring the mixture into the baking dish. I'm going to spread everything out. We're going to bake this in the oven for 30 minutes to 40 minutes. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We got the oven set to 350 degrees. There you have it, Southern Style Breakfast Casserole. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on X, Instagram, and TikTok. And don't forget to check out some of my earlier videos on the screen below. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.